Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, December the 28th, and I'm home. Come to find out that I had some extra, well, actually 1 day extra of PTO time from work. So here I am. So what am I going to do on my day off today? So far, I have walked Kona. He loves the dog park, which I'm going to insert some clips here. So we went to his favorite place nearby here to the local dog park so he could sniff whoever has been there before. He is a funny dog. He is not food motivated, but if it comes to like learning and sniffing, that's his deal. So that tired him out between the walk and the park, so he's taking a snooze right now. But other than that, I am going to eat my breakfast that I showed you that I was making along with my coffee, and I am going to pack. So tomorrow we are embarking the Carnival Liberty for a 4-day to Bimini and Nassau for New Year's Eve. So this is our first New Year's Eve cruise, so we're super excited for that. And we have Jerry and Michelle, Dave's cousins, so it's going to be a great little family getaway. So I think that's what's going to be part of this video, is going to show what's in our carry-ons between clothes, toiletries, because since we're flying out of Newark, New Jersey tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. But sorry, I had the toast going and I didn't want to burn it for the second time today, so I already burned one. So yeah, we're leaving out of Newark, New Jersey tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. and we are just doing carry-ons. So just trying to work with the liquids, the toiletries, and that stuff. So that's been a little challenging because we've never done this before, but it's a fun challenge. The clothes are easy, the toiletries not so much. But so we're going to show you what's in our carry-ons and take Kona to the border/daycare later on today. Then the 4 of us are heading to the Hampton Inn in Newark. It's by the airport to stay overnight. Then fly 5 a.m. day of the cruise. We typically don't like to fly the day of, but with work schedules between Michelle and Jerry's work schedules, Dave's work schedules, I was supposed to work today, but come to find out I had an extra day to use, so here I am. But it gives me the time to show you guys what we're gonna do with our accessories and all that. So I'm gonna go eat my breakfast before it gets cold, and I am gonna show you guys what we are packing. All right, welcome to the chaos. So this is a mixture between what's gonna go in my bag, which is right over there, and got clothes there, got a couple shorts, leggings, because it's really gonna be like high 60s, low 70s in the Bahamas, so have a couple of those in there, and one long sleeve, couple rash guards, bathe suits, the whole deal. Then of course you got your toiletries. Actually, I found these little sunscreens, so it's perfect for travel. Saline spray because it's so dry on the ship. We carry saline spray just to keep our sinuses moisturized. Of course, got your vitamins, medications. That's my CVS in that bag there. Razors. More sunscreen, deodorant, Downy wrinkle releaser. That's a must. Some hair stuff. Then we got some toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, travel hair styling products. And we are hiding ducks this cruise, so got some ducks there. Sandals, I got my dress shoes in that blue bag there. Debating on snorkel gear. I know it's only going to be in the low 70s, but I'm not sure how the water is going to be. But chances are I'm probably not taking those. I have them out because I've been wishy-washy with it, but I'm probably not taking that. Chair clips, makeup, and we're taking two backpacks. So got that for Christmas this year, and Dave got that for Christmas this year. So he loves orange anyway. So and my purse. So we're gonna take all of this. Oh, how did I forget? And the stuff behind the fun bag is all of our cords, batteries, tech gear, whatnot. And we do have a travel plug, which I'll insert a picture of it here because it's already packed. That has the 4 USBs and 3 plugs, but it's a travel charger. So because it's a non-surgical power strip, you could take that on the ship. All right, I'm going to pack these in and hopefully everything fits. And then I'm going to put the toiletries right on top, so it's just easier to go through PSA. Alright. My bag is done. Alright, my bag is done. So all I'm gonna do now is put the rest of the stuff in the 2 backpacks. I didn't show Dave's because that was really done. We did that yesterday, and I just didn't want to undo all of his again. So basically same thing as mine, minus the toiletries in it. His bag is a little bit smaller than mine. So now I am put the rest of the stuff in the tech gear bags and go from there. There we go. These are all the bags we're taking to our cruise tomorrow. Oh, I forgot I gotta throw this in there too, but I'll throw this in the backpack, the stand. Figure since I was editing this vlog, I could do my bougie quick manicure. There we go. You gotta love press on nails. Alright guys, we are on our way to drop Kona off for his little vacation. Just a miserable day. It's been kind of like this rain, misty, yucky. It's just not fun today. Guess it could be worse. It could be snow. You know, we're snowmobilers, we want snow, but for travel, we'll take this. But yeah, Kona's hiding down somewhere down here. He loves rides, but that's where he prefers just to lay down on the ground, or he'll pop his head up like now and check out the scenery. All right, I guess we'll see you guys when we get to the borders. Kona, where are we? Are we at Paw Pack? Yeah. Ready to go inside? Start your vacation? He's a goofball, right? Are you a goofball? I'm gonna miss him. You know, he's my hemorrhoid, as I call him. I'm gonna miss him. Funny, I'm outside and I see Kona's room. I guess he's in room number 4. Hi, puppy. All right, Kona is inside. Looks like they just put him in his room just to get adjusted with everything. And of course, he had procrastinate. He just didn't want to go in because he knows that we're leaving and he's gonna miss us and we're gonna miss him. But he'll be fine. Give him a couple of moments and he'll be fine. But yeah, so we're gonna go back home, make dinner, and then head on to Newark to the airport. Well, to the hotel, then in the morning the airport. But I think I'm gonna close out the vlog here. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today on this dreary day, pre-cruise day. So stay tuned for our Carnival Liberty vlogs, and we will see you on the next excursion.